Most people don't even know what they are breathing inside of their homes because you literally cannot see it in the air, but your body never lies. Your body definitely feels it. All type of debris in the air like dust, smoke, pet hair, odor, any environment pollution, it is all floating around and you just breathing it in. And guys, if you didn't know, even your furniture has a pollution. So the air we all are breathing is just never clean. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am reviewing an air purifiers that I've been genuinely using in my own space for the last few weeks. And I felt a great improvements in my breathing, in my lifestyle, in the general feeling. So guys, let's get started with a detailed review of VEWIOR air purifier.
So right on the display, you can see the PM 2.5 levels changing as the air shifts. That type of parameter, the PM 2.5, if you didn't know, it refers to the fine particulate matter air pollution, which is 2.5 micrometers or smaller in diameter, which is about 30 times smaller than a human hair. These particles are light enough to remain suspended in the air, travel deep into the lungs, and enter the bloodstream of ours, making a human body a significant health concern. This is why we all need air purifiers. And this is why air purifiers are actually a must in every house out there, moreover than that, in every room out there. Because air purifier removes allergens and it's giving you a relief, especially if you're having any type of allergies or asthma for sure. It is filtering the air from any type of pollutants, from the air outside, from the indoors. It is neutralized odors as well. It is traps any type of chemicals because there's lots of harmful volatile organic compounds called the VOCs from household cleaners and so many things actually have a pollution. Like even if you bring a furniture into your house and it doesn't have to be new, it is still adds to the pollution of your indoors. How crazy is that? So thanks to air purifier, you are gonna have a better air quality, which is better for your kids, your pets, and you yourself too. Gives you the ease to breathe and it creates a cleaner environment for babies, the elderly, and anyone who can be sensitive. And even if you're not sensitive, it's still a need. That's why I truly loved this pack of 2 air purifiers by VEWIOR. And guys, I truly love that right on the display you can see the PM 2.5 levels and you even have colors that will match it. So green for good, blue for moderate like middle, and red for a bad air. So you can see the levels changing as the air shifts. So instead of guessing whether your air is clean, you are watching it happen in real time. It is show you the correct parameter every single second on the screen. Now I tested these air purifiers in real conditions, cooking, moving around dust. You see the number spike and then within minutes it starts coming down as the purifier adjusts itself. I did a candle test when I just turn off a candle and of course it creates some smoke which is polluting the air, and you can see how the air purifier immediately reacts. You can see how the levels of the PM 2.5 goes up higher and higher. It is reaching the red level. Then once I took away the candle, the levels goes back down to normal and green, and it is working stronger thanks to the auto mode. So this air purifier has a few options. The most favorite one, it's the auto mode. It doesn't run at one speed all the time. It actually reacts. It has a sensor, and once it senses that the air is polluted and it needs to work harder, faster, and better, it will automatically increase the speed of its own. You have 3 different speeds, 1, 2, 3, and you have the quiet mode, the sleep mode. Now when air quality drops, it increases power, and when things stabilize, once it's done cleaning your air and filtering your air, it will slow and go back down to itself. And you don't need to touch anything. That's the auto mode. Now here is the one thing I genuinely wasn't sure about before testing these air purifiers. Could something this compact actually keep up with real daily air changes across multiple rooms? Well, this is a 2-pack, so you are getting 2 air purifiers. They're small, cute, beautiful design. Absolutely love the way they look on everywhere on my shelf on different areas of my house. Now getting 2-pack, it completely changes how you see it. Instead of trying to clean one large space and hoping it spreads, well, you just place one in the bedroom and one in the living room or one in the kitchen, and now you are covering your entire entire environment, not just one little spot. Now, it can handle room up to 1,200 square feet, and it's a perfect choice for small homes or apartments. Now, inside of the air purifier, it comes with a 3-stage filtration system. It has the prep filter, the H13 HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter as well. 3 layers of filtration. So it captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, bad hair, smoke, and any type of odors. The prep filter is washable, so you can remove it and you can clean it, wash it in your washer literally, and keep on reusing it again and again. This is going to extend the life of the main filter, and it cuts down on long-term costs, because who want to buy an air purifier and keep on spending money on filters every few months? No one. So that's why I absolutely love this option. It's very affordable and it's very budget friendly, as well as you don't have to spend your money after purchasing these air purifiers on more and more filters all the time. Now, I truly love the feature that it came with an aromatherapy pad on top. It's super cool. You just unscrew it, you put the pad, you add a few drops of essential oil, you screw it back, and you're ready to go. So you can drop a few drops of essential oil, any type of essential oil, subtle, not overpowering, and it genuinely changes the feel of the room. It's spreading the essential oil in an absolutely fantastic way. Now, at night, there is a sleep mode available, which means it dims the display completely and it drops any working noise down to around 15 decibels. It's super quiet in general, but on the sleep mode, it's like completely silent. So you forget it's running. You cannot even hear it, like nothing, nada. This is exactly what you want at nights. I'm a sensitive sleeper, so yeah, I don't want to hear anything when I'm sleeping. I want it to be quiet. There is also a child lock, so nothing gets accidentally changed by kids or pets. Also, you have even a schedule options. So you have 3 timer options. You can have it for 2, 4, or 8 hours running, and it will automatically turn itself off once this time will pass. Now, guys, seeing the PM 2.5 numbers adjust in real time and feeling the difference after consistent use, this is all just answered all my question like clearly. I absolutely sure about this product. I love having 2 air purifiers. I put one in my bedroom, I put one in my studio, and absolutely love it. It's not about dramatic before and after moments, but it's about time that you will feel better, and it's about taking care of your future health. Invest in your health for sure. It is all about removing that low-level discomfort you didn't even realize that was always there. And there is nothing better than just a clean air.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments about this VEWIOR air purifier. It is so nice that you can get a bundle and actually get 2 air purifiers in one purchase. I truly love this option because we all have like these small areas around our house, and we're pretty much using the entire house of ours. So guys, be so very sure to check VEWIOR air purifier out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. So you snooze, you lose. So just don't snooze and go get it with a discount until it's not too late. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.